got you back, all I wanna do is
What's up, this is your girl Jalece, and I am back with another video. We are vlogging today, y'all. So currently, right now, we are at the UPS store. When I say we, I mean me and Jaden, of course. I got some messages that some people said to go to the P.O Box, so we're here to check it out to see what you guys sent us. Yeah. Just wanted to let y'all know, if y'all do want to send me stuff, my P.O Box, I don't have it linked in my description, but it's in Jaden's description. I share a P.O Box with him currently until I get my own. But yeah, we're gonna see what's in here. Thermo?
You turn it down?
That was my phone ringing?
Yeah.
You can bring it to me? Okay, y'all, so I'm on to my next mission of the day. I got some clothes to show y'all that was sent to me. So I'm gonna show y'all after I'm done with this. But currently, I'm at Flo House. Y'all hear him in the background.
Just imagine if the rain sounds get you copyrighted.
Rain sounds?
Yeah, just imagine.
I don't think he'll do that.
Timer.
But I'm currently now at Flo and Karina house doing Karina lashes. This is one of my missions for today, and I do got other side missions that I gotta do today. But y'all stay tuned this whole video. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
This free for my sister?
Is this free?
Yeah.
She's paying, but I didn't charge her full price.
Okay.
But yeah. So y'all stay tuned. And I'm gonna tap in with y'all later after I finish, so I go ahead and get to work and go ahead and get in and out.
Two. Like she had that dog in her.
Oh, okay. Got a roof. Let her not have that roof. She a girl.
Yeah, like somebody would smack her and she would walk out.
Smack her?
I'm saying, like when she get over there, somebody would smack her and walk, and when she walk out, I would be disappointed.
Oh, yeah.
But, you know, if somebody smack her, she's gonna put that pocket knife out or something.
Okay.
Yeah,
you need the pen? Okay. Yep, so y'all see I did my thing. I did my ditty bop. I don't usually travel, so clients, if you're watching this, don't get used to this. I do travel for people, but
they really should have been teaching us like taxes.
Okay, guys, so my first stop on the list. Ooh, these are cute. Okay, I don't have to get something like that, but my first stop is to the dollar store. I gotta get some stitcher cords because I'm going to the suite to put some more stuff up. Jay got me a new lash table, a little lash bed type thing. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put that up. Y'all, so I did find a stitcher cord, but they don't have black. Like, I want a black stitcher cord, but I'm gonna have to, I just got a gray one for now because they had gray and white. So I got, ooh, what the fuck was that? It's a big bug. But I got the gray one just to have something and try it out until I can find a black one, and then I'll just eventually switch them out. But I do gotta go do a beauty supply run. I hate doing beauty supply runs because it runs my pockets. But it's cool, we gotta do what we gotta do. But obviously I can't vlog in here either, just like the dollar store, they're playing music. I hate when they do that. Okay, everybody, so finally made it to the suite, y'all. Traffic was so bad getting here. Like, it was so horrible. But I'm currently finna go ahead and fold down this old bed. My new one has came in. It's the recliner chair. Mine's getting mad. I'm talking over your show. But yeah, so I'm finna go ahead and fold this down. This is finna be an end to the actual flat lash massage bed thingy. And hello to the new and improved recliner stage. And he got me the one that got massages, so that's gonna be real comfortable for my clients. So I'm excited for this. I'm gonna go ahead. Hopefully it's not too hard to put together, cause I ain't got time to be trying to struggle. I just wanted to do what it's supposed to do, so I can go ahead and go home because my vanity came in, and now you got the same vanity, so we're gonna put our vanities up together. And start getting our beauty room at the house together. This is the chair right here. Let's see. Okay, it looks like it's gonna be easy. Oh yeah, that don't look. It's only 6 pieces. Oh boy. It looks like you just gotta attach it. It don't even look like it got. Ugh. Wait. You need help? It's my head. Yeah. Maybe I gotta lay it sideways and just sit it out. Oh, my bad, mine's be rocking. You're okay, bubby. Man, probably saying feed him. Girl, he just ate. He's so big. How often he eat?
Since he eat like 6 to 8 ounces every 3 hours, I try to let his belly like
Digest.
yeah, cause he be trying to eat every day in 2 hours. Like sometimes I will feed him on demand though when I know he's hungry, but if he's not hungry, he just want to be cooked up. Mommy got stuff he gotta do, so you can't get picked up. Not right now. Don't be trying to yell at me.
Okay, this the massage remote. I feel fancy, y'all. I feel so fancy.
Baby, the way I would be falling asleep in that chair while getting my lashes done.
Hopefully the massage is not too intense. Because if it is, then they can't use it while I'm doing the lashes.
Oh yeah. Baby, I don't even need the massage. I just need me a blanket. That's it.
Okay, these the little legs.
For the chair.
put it together. Got the little remote. Let me see. Hot buttons. Okay. Okay, let me test out the massage. Ooh. My client's gonna love this. Ooh. And it's not too much, so I can actually do their lashes.
I can hear it.
Like it's just a nice little massage.
Yeah. You see the massage chair?
Okay, period. Okay. Okay, come sit. Let's see. Alright, let's raise up. Now lay back. Let me see. Okay, yes, this works. Hey, perfect. This is relaxing. Gotta
I
get
could
the
fall
remote.
asleep. Oh wow. I would be asleep in like 10 minutes.
Feels good too. And I got a blanket over there.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
It's going down. It is going down.
I could really fall asleep.
Okay, bet.
Mazzy, you wish you had. Oh, okay, that's how you do it. Okay, that's easy.
Period.
Period. Mazzy, you wish you had that.
Okay, y'all. We are all set, ready to go. New lash station. Got my pillow. I got it tucked off to the side right now. But yep, y'all, has to get a fan up in here because it be getting hot. But I really like the way it is coming along. So excited. And we got Wi-Fi now. So we finna be watching TV on that next appointment for sure. No more sitting, listening to music playing from my phone. But now, we are about to go. And I gotta stop at H-E-B so I can get some food for dinner. And also, see if anybody outside of Home Depot can come hang my new entertainment center while I go put my vanity up. So yeah, y'all. Still quite a bit of day ahead of us. So y'all, stay tuned on this vlog. We on to the next destination. We're going about our business. Alright y'all, so I didn't finally made it back home. Now I'm gonna make a good, what they call a lazy girl dinner. Yeah, some creamy chicken, rice, with some green beans, and I'm just putting the chicken in the crock pot grill. Even though it's late, but it's still getting made. Cause I'm gonna be up anyway. Bring my pot out. Okay, so to make this, you're gonna take some chicken broth. Let me bring y'all over here. You're gonna take some chicken broth. You're gonna put it in here. And then we're gonna get your vegetables. I got frozen vegetables because I ain't feeling like chopping up no vegetables for real. So this is what we get. Good old frozen vegetables. I ain't gonna lie, these not the chopped ones, those are the sliced ones, so them some big vegetables. And then you gonna get you some cream of chicken. You need a little help? Okay, cool. Get that out of there. You gonna stir this around. And honestly, this looks disgusting, but once it's cooked, it'll be just fine. Okay. So after do that, we're really supposed to do this first. I'm gonna take my chicken breast and I'm gonna season it. You're really supposed to do that first, though. Give me a cool little wait. Look at these freezers. And get my seasonings. You don't want to burp on?
I let my hair go. It's a big bird, Bubba.
Yeah. That's all I'm taking to season. Okay. And then you go just season. This one is not open. And lastly, I'm gonna do a little cayenne pepper because I like mine spicy. Y'all don't be scared to season y'all meat for real. Like, season y'all meat. Yep. Alright, let's get it seasoned. And then you just gonna go ahead and put that in the crock pot. Alright, y'all, so the food then went ahead and started cooking. Me and I told y'all that me and I both got the same vanity. She got white, I got black. So we finna go ahead and unbox it and see what it do. You think this the mirror?
That's definitely the mirror and probably the store. These definitely the drawers. I think.
I kind of want the mirror to be a little bit bigger.
No, this the glass. Yeah, this the vanity with glass top. So this the glass.
Let's say vanity with glass top too.
Oh.
I don't know. Let's see. I'm just gonna open it and see what the small box is. I already know the big box is gonna be like. The big box probably gonna be like the top of it.
Go big. Go big and go home.
Babe, you want to call me later?
If you want to, you don't want to sit and watch me build my stuff.
It sounds like you were saying you don't want to sit here and watch grass grow. I mean, I could, you know.
Yeah, why not you thought she brought her vanity upstairs? Why it's so heavy? She brought mine upstairs.
Like, no, they sent ours like so weird. So they sent your little one with my big one and then sent her big one with my little one. So I'm thinking when my shit get delivered, it's both my shit, and I bring it up here and it's hers.
Oh no. This
It's the mirror.
no.
It's yours.
Uh-huh. Good. I was hoping that the mirror not this small. By the way, y'all, we got this mirror from TikTok shop.
TikTok. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to make a portrait video so I can post it on TikTok.
Oh yeah, we can earn commission.
Okay, y'all, so finally got everything out the box. I'm really about to see how long this takes us to build. It's currently 9:09. It is so many pieces. Jada said we're gonna be ready in we're gonna be done in 2.5 hours. I think it's gonna take us a good 3 hours. Maybe. It's just hella pieces. It is. It's hella pieces. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, it's empty. No, it said drill prohibited. So that means don't use a drill because you could probably break something. Drill, hammer, or flathead, I think that is. Or did it? Yeah, did it say hammer? There's a hammer sign right there. I don't know. I thought it was a hammer sign. You can use a drill. I'm gonna use a drill. I think you can use a drill. Y'all, look at all these pieces. This is a pamphlet. 25 pages long, y'all. And about 1 million steps. Let me see how many steps it said. Look at the last page. They don't even say the step. They just got the page number on it. They don't even say what step that is. But this shit thick. This is the thickest instruction manual book I've ever seen. I ever put together. Okay, first we need CRDRCLDL and number 8. Oh, these. Yeah, the little railing thingies. And then board number 8. Which one is 8? Looks like it got like a little. That's 9. What's this? we start on the side that has a little slit on it. Was it another screwdriver? Yeah. You got two? Where's that? Nah, I just got one. It's in the junk drawer. Okay. Look at all these screws. Y'all pray for us, bro. Pray for us. 3 CRs. What's this one? How do I know what's a CR? They both say C. But how do I know if it's an R or an L? It don't have R or L on there. Let me see. It look like one on one than the other. I don't know. Let me open this here. Oh, they all come in sets of twos? What, the CRDR shit? Cause it's called, I don't know where's R? We got CR, we got CL. Where the fuck is the R? Where the fuck is the L? Oh, it's on that side. Oh. Okay, so this say DR. This say CL. Oh, okay, y'all. So I was about to say, ain't no way, we ain't just, it's gonna take us some trial and error time. But okay, now we good. Okay, what do I do with that screwdriver? Oh, man. So we need 3 CRs. Okay, this is CR. I need 1 CL, so let me keep 1 CL. 1 CL. Bookie? Why did it face like this? No, there's got the line on it. You looking at the instruction upside down? Because I'm trying to see. They got it like this. They got it like this first. You see how it say then flip over? Where the other holes at? Over here. I can't do this shit, man. I'm trying to figure out what screw is E. This one don't got no letter on it. It's just a whole book of screws. Okay, these are E's. The little one. Okay, make sure you keep your parts away from mine. Oh, okay, I see the little tiny holes. I was about me back.
Okay, besties. It is.
Girl, don't be telling your foot, your foot.
It is 10:50, y'all. So it's been almost 2 hours, and we still working on this. This all we got done so far. And I ain't even got done what I got done.
I've been bullshitting, y'all. I was on the phone.
Man, this is taking way longer the other way. You put all the screws in on the other way. But yeah, y'all, this is taking so long. So freaking tired of this. Like, dang, bruh. Dang. I don't want to do this no more. I don't want to do it. I really don't. I don't want to do it, y'all. Ooh, give me some.
Huh?
Give me some. And I'm only to page 10, y'all. Page
25.
10 out of 25. So, not done at all. Girl, you almost hit that pen.
Really? I didn't know it was that close.
You gonna be mad at your shit with a chip. That just smell you would have been so mad. What's the next step? A3 piece well.
Where did I put these down at?
Oh, this gonna be a long step.
What's that one?
Page 10. What? Okay, I'm finally starting to see the vision.
Good, right, y'all?
Yup.
Black and white's for the freaks.
Yep. We are now on. Oh, I'm on step 13. Right here. So gotta drill these in at the bottoms.
That's halfway.
Yeah, we halfway. Okay, let me get back to it. Besties, it is 1:09.
We've been doing this shit literally 4 hours straight because we started
4
at
hours.
9:09.
Yeah.
4 hours flat, y'all.
And we are finally finished. We have not put our drawers in yet because we got to push them against the wall. We need something to grip on. But, yeah.
This is it, guys.
This is it. Alrighty. Y'all, excuse the mess around. Like, that's just a pile of wigs that I have to do promotions on. But we are done. We gotta put our mirror. We're gonna put a full body mirror in the middle and a TV right up here. And then back here, we're gonna get some wallpaper. This is gonna be gone. Of course, Slat won't be in here. Slat is going to my room. I'm just waiting on his stand to come in. And we're gonna put like wallpaper right here and maybe put like 2 chairs. And that's gonna be our get ready with me station. And yeah, y'all just stay along. Y'all, that food's still downstairs in the crock pot. It's done, but honestly, I'm too tired to eat. Like, I lost my appetite building this shit. Like, I don't even want it no more. So, I'm I think I'll probably just go ahead and still make the sides and then just making some to-go plates. I don't know. I gotta put on the rice and green beans. So yeah, probably just put that on and then have leftovers since I have 3 clients back to back tomorrow. What's that?
Extra lights I'm gonna use 2 of them.
What kind of lights?
The little wall lights.
Ah, okay. Yeah, well, now you know what else I just thought? If we take pictures together, we can put them in here.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, that'd be cute. I say picture frames though, not canvas, because I think that's what I have to do in my room.
Picture frames.
Picture frames, like the big old ones.
But you know, mine look like picture frames almost, because I bordered mine with black tape.
Not necessarily like that. I'm talking about like with the gloss. Like, you know, like how picture frames, they got like that gloss.
Oh, the shiny look.
Yeah. That's what I'm about to do with mine. We'll order some more.
Yep, we could do that. Y'all stay tuned. The beauty room is going to have a complete makeover. Like, it's going to be done up. But y'all like my brushes? I got them for Christmas last year. And now I've been saying that I'm going to save them to like get me a new vanity and makeup station for my house. And now that I got that, finally busted them open. I couldn't wait to put them on the shelf. That's the first thing I put on there. Y'all can ask Naya, like, first thing I went and grabbed is my makeup brushes that I have not touched. So excited to use those. It came with cute little clips to this to match. I got this from Marshall's around last Christmas time. So I don't even know if they even still sell those because Naya wants some now, but I don't even think they even sell those no more. And I tried to look online. I think I paid like $40 for the set. They're charging like $90, $100 for it now online. So that's insane. That's OD. Yeah. I'm really trying to think if I just want to go finish off this food or if I just want to leave in the crock pot. I don't know. Let's see. Alright, bestie, so I want to just come back and show y'all what we got at the P.O Box just to end off my vlog. First, we got these fits from D-Shop. We both got one. So I'm finna show y'all the drip. I actually like it. I really fuck with it. So we're gonna put that on. Maybe do like a little get ready with me. Huh? No. Cause I don't have money.
You ain't gonna do anything anyway.
So I want us to wear it together so we can do a get ready with me.
Alright, well, I'm gonna wear mine today and I'm gonna take it out.
No, this short sleeve. You need long sleeve anyway.
I'm gonna put a long sleeve under there.
And it's shorts.
One of the shorts anyway though.
Okay, y'all. So this is the shirt. This is his shirt. That's why it's so big. Yeah. This is the shirt. Yeah, we gonna put that on for y'all later. I don't know why he talking about he wanna put it on now.
I'm trying to put that on now. I'm trying to put that shit on. You want to save it for a rainy day.
No, I don't want to save it for a rainy day. I want to save it for the day we're gonna wear it together. Anyways, because we both got the same fit, y'all, so we should wear it together, right? And then they come with shorts. It is a little cold in Houston right now, but we don't care about all that. Oh, babe, look. He got you a keychain and a lighter leash.
For real? Lighter leash?
It came in the package.
Go to lighter leash.
Come look.
Go to it.
It got the brand on.
It's hard.
It is. She hard, y'all. She hard. So yeah, y'all go shop with D Shop
Let me show y'all some
Enterprise.
details. See, it's hard to find a lighter leash with the clip and the clip. See, this is for things without belt loops. This is for things with belt loops. Load the top of that.
Yep. Okay. My noodles ready.
Let me get some of your noodles.
You want me just to make you some?
Yeah.
Cause I want my noodles. You want the keychain?
I ain't got no car keys yet.
Okay. Alright, let me go ahead and put that right back on in the bag. Oops, I kind of broke the little zipper thing on the bag, but alright. Alright, we got something else. It was sent to the P.O Box. It says Ace Cartel. I didn't open this yet, y'all, so I don't know what it is. The other one, I knew what it was because she reached out to me and let me know exactly what I'm getting. This one, I don't know what it is. They just sent it. I did get a DM saying that I would to be expecting something, so yeah. Okay, hold on, wait. This looks like it's gonna be a little two-piece set. Y'all know I love me a good two-piece set. Okay. But look, I got me a little black two-piece set.
Okay.
Alright, let me see the pen. Good material. Good material. And the tights to go with it. Yup. Ooh, I can't wait to put this on. Good material.
Mm-hmm.
And I love black. I love black clothes.
Who want fork here? You see my fork?
Nah. I'm in there trying to steal my noodles. I made them the way I like them, a little dry.
Yeah.
Okay, and let's see what this is. A base of swim trunks. Look at your swim trunks.
That's nice. Them purple folds would go nice with that though.
Mm-hmm.
It got gray in there too?
Nah, it's just pink, green, and purple and blue. They cool though, they cool.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Oh! Babe, I got the matching swimsuit.
Oh yeah, we five. They gonna be like, they so cute. We stay doing that little shit.
Oh yeah. So I got the matching swimsuit to go with his swim trunks.
So where we going now? Now we gotta go somewhere to match the swimsuits with the beach.
Yep. Ooh, these is little.
Uh-oh.
I don't know.
What's in there, little?
It's a little bottom.
Little what?
It's little bottoms. She sent me an extra large top and a medium bottom. She should have sent me maybe a, y'all, I wear, when it comes to swimsuits, I wear large bottoms and I wear medium tops. But I'll still try to make it work. I'm going to see how it goes because she really shouldn't, like, my bottom's supposed to be bigger than my top. This top do look kind of big, but I probably can still make it work. Maybe do a little something with it. We can take this on our trip. You really sit up there and made my noodles.
I mean, they for you, bro.
Oh, you made them for me?
Yeah. I like long stringy noodles.
I like.
Mine wet. I like my shit soup, eh? Like,
Let me taste some. Let me rate the noodles he made. Okay. Okay, get a little hot sauce packet. That's all it's missing.
I forgot we got that. And it's Louisiana too.
Let's see. All right, that did it. That did it, y'all. Okay, but yeah, that is what we got. Yeah. I love this two-piece set, honestly. I really do. The swimsuit is cute. I just hope I can fit it, and I love how it's going to be for us to match each other. So yeah. Cause when I looked at it at first, I ain't gonna lie, my first smile was, this is some real wild, colorful colors for a boy. But then when I seen mine to match, it all makes sense. It's all gonna tie together. So now we're gonna look good together, look like together in this. Cause I like to find this little matching stuff, honestly. I think it's cute. Y'all see, like from the Bahamas trip, we was matching every day. Every day. But yeah, besties, this is finna conclude this vlog. I'm going ahead and end it right here. If y'all watched it to the end, thank you for watching this far.
You're broke, respectfully. Fuck it. Take the risk.
But I hope you like this video. Go ahead and give it a big thumbs up if you have not already. Because yeah, do you really want this beef? Do you really want this smoke for not liking this video?
It get like that.
It get like that. But yeah, y'all, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Without further ado, peace.